So, this is not the one I'm going to build. Good morning and welcome to my channel, The Clueless Luthier, or as I now like to call myself, the somewhat clueless luthier, since I actually finished the build. Okay, maybe mostly clueless, but anyway. If you have seen my introduction video, you'll know that I didn't build the guitar kit that I originally purchased. And that's because after watching a video by Chris at Driftwood about his first build and how horribly it turned out, I decided I didn't want to do the really good kit. I would get a slightly less good kit. So today we're going to do some unboxing. This is the OM18. It's based on a 1933 model. It has an Adirondack top and rosewood sides, and I'm really excited about putting this one together. So let me start pulling this apart. I'll redo the angle of the camera a second, and I'll show you what I've got. Let's see. First of all, the rosewood sides, and hopefully this is bent better than the last kit. I think it is. It seemed to be. We will soon find out. There's the sides. And here is the back. The nice little divider in there. This is also rosewood. And I think I need to take this out. Let me get something to cut with. Okay. There we go. Because they do cut the rosette channel in for you as well. So, yeah, that's beautiful. I think it's much prettier than the last one was. So, all right. So there, top and back. Like this. Over here. What else do we have? Packaging. Yep, packaging. More. I kind of like doing that. Okay. Tuning machines. This actually came with Waverly tuning machines. So I'm going to leave those right in there. For now, we don't need them for quite some time. Okay. More. Here are the design. And here is a mold, there's two of them, that if everything goes right, I will not be using, because I purchased a form for this guitar and I'm really hoping it fits. One of my least favorite parts of the last one was using a waist clamp. And if you saw that video, it was really hard. So hopefully I get to get rid of these. Okay, here's the neck. This time with a regular sort of Martin-esque headstock instead of the slotted. Now this one is not a bolt-on. So that would be one difference in what I'm doing. This is a glued-on neck with a dovetail. Don't mess up, Mark. This. Oh, this one comes actually with a pick guard, tortoise shell. Some of the other goodies. Oh, I think I know what this is. I think this is the end piece. I am still unsure about what this is for. I don't think I had something like this on the last one. I don't believe I used it. Once again, dots for inlays, and once again, I'm not sure I'm going to use them. I have an idea for what I really want to do on a special inlay for this guitar. I'll get into that later because, first of all, see if it's even going to be possible for my abilities. This, once again, for the top dots in the headstock, and I think that's everything in here. Oh, this is for the bottom cap. Cool. Nope, not plastic. I like this. Okay. Oh, this is for the rosette inlay, apparently. I don't think there's enough for the guitar. Well, maybe it is for the guitar. That may be the perfect. We'll see. Okay. Scissors again. Cutting anything. All right. All kinds of goodies. More rubber bands. I have plenty now. This is for the neck going on the fretboard. Instructional video. I'll be interested to see if it's any different. It probably is the same one I already have. Instruction book. Oh, that's interesting. Piece. Let's see what that's for. This would be, I believe, yes, for the bridge, underneath bridge support. Headstock. Oh, that is gorgeous. Wow. That is gorgeous. Let's see. Oops. Oh, for a practice fretting. I didn't use the last one, to be honest with you, but that looks like really good wood. I could, if nothing else, turn that into sawdust for stuff. Or something. Okay, so that is this fret. I think this is one. Oh, I have not opened it. That's interesting. Okay, I think I know what this is, and once again, it was a driftwood video. They talked about this, that for some reason Martin puts these in on the inside here, and they couldn't figure out why. I have no idea what purpose it would be. There's a good chance I won't use it, but we'll see. I mean, that's what they did in 1933, certainly, and I believe they may still do it. So they're, you know, trying to stay true to the design. Oh, pre-cut fret wire. Wow. That's different than the last one. All right. The nut and the bridge, just like the last one, is kind of pre-cut. Bridge. It's a little different. I like that. The other one was just rectangular, so. And pins, end piece, which I won't use that, but okay. Put these back in. These I'm keeping out. Fretboard. I'm pretty sure, if I can remember. Oh, let's see. What's it made out of? I'm gonna be reaming on it. Okay, yeah. Ebony. So, yes, there is my fretboard. Very nice. Okay, the curved liner, truss rod, packaging, layout, and I don't know if you saw my first videos. I took this and turned it into a plastic template so that I could reproduce it, and I will be doing the same thing on this. I won't bother doing another video of it. That would be kind of overkill. And as I remember, yeah, this is bracing for the top. Oh, this is formed. Maybe not. Maybe that is the same. No, this is more formed than the other one, and that's probably because the other one was based on this. Okay. I'll do some of my own shaping as well. And this will be for the back. Yeah. Yeah. All right. And I think that's everything. Oh, what's this? Oh, just piece of paper. Let me see. Oh, just instructions for the hot rod adjustable truss rod. Okay. Cool. So I just went through the checklist of everything, and I discovered that they shorted me the binding material, so I have to contact them on that. But I have a little bit of time, so I should be good. So thanks for stopping by, and I'm really looking forward to this this new build, and I hope you follow and see how it goes. Thanks a lot. Bye.